Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are staying masked, staying safe and social distancing. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 things that you shouldn't put on your face. Yes, don't put it on your face. It's not good. Okay, so number 2 is toothpaste. Hey, toothpaste. Most of us have used it before and people are still using it. My gosh, why would you put toothpaste on your face? On your pimple or rash. Well, do you know what is inside toothpaste? Have you checked lately what ingredients are in toothpaste? Why is it helping your pimple or your rashes? Well, toothpaste has got calcium carbonate in it, which is aggressive. It's like using a vim. You know vim? The one we used in the kitchen to clean stuff. Yes. It's got hydrogen peroxide. It's got alcohol in it. It's got essential oils. It got menthol. So I'm thinking all these ingredients, what is helping you is maybe the essential oil that is in it. There is menthol in it, which is good for rashes and acne and stuff. So next time you want to use toothpaste, my dear, maybe you should use some other product that has a peppermint or tea tree or any other essential oil. So please, it's a bad behavior. Let's stop using toothpaste on our face because it works. Yes, it works, but eventually it will make your skin or your face so sensitive to other stuff. So please stop using toothpaste. Okay, so our next one is baking soda. The baking soda that we all know, we used it for biscuits, cakes. Yes, that baking soda. Baking soda is salt. It's kind of salt. It's alkaline. And when we look at the pH scale, anyway, pH scale is a measurement of acidity and alkaline. And our skin is in a measure of 4.5 to 5.5. So alkaline is a salt base. You consider it as salt, which is alkaline, and it's here, 9, the pH of 9, which is more than what the skin is supposed to take, which is 4.5 to 5.5. So if you put baking soda, which is 9, into your face, what do you think will happen? Your skin, it will spoil your skin. Yes, it works for you, but eventually your skin will spoil. Your face, you get very sensitive skin. You will be prone to sunburn. You will be prone to redness. So please stop using baking soda unless you are mixing it with something. Don't put baking soda alone on your face. Okay. The next one is lemon. Yes, almighty lemon. It's very good, but it's also very acidic. If you look at the chart here, this is my lemon, and it's 2, a pH of 2, which is also not good for your face. It will give you hyperpigmentation, sunburn again, redness. You can drink your lemon. It's good for your inside, but please don't put it on your face. It's 2. Your skin is 4.5 to 5.5. I will say it again. So anything that is below or higher than our skin pH is not good for our skin. Eventually, it will give you all kinds of blemishes. So please, don't use lemons. Drink it. Make it tea. Put honey in it, sorry. lemon and honey with hot water. It will glow you. It will glow your skin rather than putting it on your face. So stop putting it on your face, rather drink it. Okay. My last one, people might not agree with me, which is oil. There are some oils which are comedogenic, meaning it can clog your pores. It might be good to use to formulate your, mix it with your shea butter or cocoa butter, it will be fine. But using oil alone, some oils, well, we all have Google. So if you are using some kind of oil and what I'm saying, it doesn't go well with you, please Google. Google is there for everybody. Check if it's going to clog your pores before you continue using it. Because some oils are very heavy for our face, especially. For your body, it's fine. But for the face, please check the oil you are using before you put on your face. It can clog your pores and give you all these skin blemishes, pimples, acne, and the rest. So this is all we're going to talk about today. Thank you for watching me. Please subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell so that when I next upload a video, you will be the first to see. Please, your comment is also important. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye.